Goobers, welcome back to a brand new motorcycle video. I know you've been waiting. So today, we're here at Cal State San Marcos. We're gonna do some parking lot drills today from the MotoJitsu handbook. Now, I didn't bring the handbook, so I'm going off his videos right now. Bear with us, but 4 easy drills that we're gonna do today. We're gonna see how we do. You know, I've got a Z900. I think it's gonna be practice from here on out. I wanna master that bike and have a lot of fun with it, but it's definitely time to put some gear on, so I'm gonna do that. Hey, that's much better. I want to give MotoJitsu a lot of credit for making these drills, or if he got them from whatever resource. Hey, awesome. His content's great. Go check his stuff out. But let's get started. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to like and hit subscribe if you had a good experience here. And let me know if you're going to do these drills yourself. All right, let's get started.
Success. Success. Success.
Nice.
Very nice. Success.
Dang. All right, Emily's showing off a little bit and going like a 30-foot diameter circle instead of 40. She's really showing us off. Yeah, no, Emily, you did great.
I can go left, I can't go right.
So you can definitely go wider if you feel like it, and then just when you practice this. But yeah, very good. It was just a tighter circle. That's why it might have felt hard. Nutty. So definitely had it. Big wide circle, Wes. Yeah. There you go, boss.
Success.
Nice. we have one more drill today. It's the wheelie drill. No, not in this one. No, there's no wheelie drills in MotoJitsu's handbook, but that was all 4 drills. We hope you really like the content. These are the bikes we use. We use a Kawasaki Z900, Honda CB300F, and we have an MT03. And look, these bikes, it doesn't matter what bike you're on, you should be able to do these drills, whether it's a cruiser, whether it's a sport bike, like an R7, or it's gonna be like some sort of Honda Rebel or something. You're able to do these drills, and my favorite quote from MotoJitsu is, any excuse is good enough as long as you're weak enough to use it. So I'm gonna leave you guys with that. How did we do? Did we earn our white belts today? What do you think? Shoot, man, that was a lot of fun. I can't wait for the next one. Peace out, Goobers. We'll see you next time.